Okay, let's try this. Ooh, that's cool. Um, this is the wide-angle camera. I'm using my LG G5 again because my Essential phone broke. I don't even know if I mentioned my phone scenario. But now we get the wide-angle shot, so you get to see the whole thing in one frame. So this, I know it's very soft. I'll switch back to this, actually. And then we can switch back to wide-angle in a second. So this is the base of the Cannonball board game. You can see that it's packed and a giant mess. And keep in mind that this is only about half of the wiring, and some of it's not even done. Like, this needs to connect, this needs to connect, and all of these need to connect. All of these need to connect to that Arduino. All of these need to be put in, but they don't have their wires attached yet. This one's bolted down. By bolted, I mean glued. I'm going to make this wide again. Okay. These have their bars attached. What I mean by that is this, which reinforces it, and, like, provides a general frame. I don't really know where I'm going to put this Arduino. This Arduino is going here. It fits in very tightly. But that's where it's going. So this one was pre-wired, which is why there's this. This one I'm going to wire on here, so hopefully I can get much better runs instead of this. Hopefully this isn't too jarring. It's kind of a novelty, being able to switch between different camera views. Yeah, this one's a real giant mess. And I put some hot glue here just to hold everything in place, kind of, but not really. It's probably fine. Nothing seems to have become disconnected. Something becomes disconnected in this mess. It's going to be a really fun time trying to troubleshoot and reinstall that. This is just going to be like 5 minutes, if that, because I don't actually have that much more to talk about. Besides that, I sanded this acrylic, I laser cut this acrylic, this is new acrylic, because the last one cracked when I was drilling it, and then I laser cut it, and the school's laser cutter has a broken end stop, so it doesn't calibrate properly, so it laser cut the holes in the wrong place, so I needed to go out and buy new acrylic, which is not what I wanted to do. Hey, I guess this is just like real life. It's always over budget and over time. Because I'm super over budget, and, I mean, I'm not working work days because I have school, but I've spent a few weekends on it, and I have a ton of time into this, and I was not expecting it to take this long. I don't know. It's kind of taking what I expected. It'll be done on time, hopefully. It's getting close. I can see it taking shape. I have a partner as well now, hopefully, and he said he can make some wood clamps, which I was gonna run through here, but now I have wires through here, so I don't know where I'm gonna put it. To clamp the 3D printed supports onto this. Not wood clamp, like, I don't know. Wood struts is maybe the better word. I don't know what the technical term for it is. I'm much more electronics focused than, like, mechanical, so I have no clue what the name for it is. I'm just gonna call it a strut. But my partner said he can make that, and that he can probably do the manual, and he maybe can do art, because I would like box art. Yeah. So I have one more weekend to work on this. It's not yet the weekend. I'm filming this on a Thursday afternoon. So I have one more weekend to work on this, and then it's the weekend afterwards where this is due. So we'll see. I really hate it when they don't tell us the details until really last minute. But yeah, that is kind of what it is. It is taking shape. It's getting there. I don't know. I've rambled on for long enough, and it's 5 minutes. So anyways, that's all. I don't know if you actually care about this. Maybe subscribe. I can't promise high quality videos. It'll probably be like this, as in horrible. But you know, it's I don't know. I don't make these videos to be high quality, in case you couldn't figure that out. But you know, I don't know. Subscribe if you want, or don't. Bye.